Are you a real estate investor looking for a Tucson investor-friendly real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona? If so, keep watching for more information about investing in real estate in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, my name's Tyler Ford, Tucson, Arizona with eXp Realty, and welcome to this episode of Living in Tucson, your Tucson Real Estate Connection. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about investing in real estate in Tucson, Arizona. I am your Tucson investor-friendly agent. I've been buying and selling homes for over 30 years here in Tucson and own upwards to 100 rental properties. So I'm going to tell you how my experience can help you as a real estate investor, whether you're a seasoned investor or a new investor just wanting to get your feet wet in buying some rental properties. So keep on watching for more information about investing in real estate here in Tucson, Arizona. Let me tell you how my experience over the years will help benefit you. I've been a licensed agent here in Tucson for over 30 years. I bought my first foreclosure and that hooked me on real estate. I got my license and I've been an agent and an investor ever since. I've bought and sold and fixed and flipped over 300 homes and have owned well over 100 rental properties. So I've got tons and tons of experience, whether it's short-term fix and flips or long-term strategy to buy and hold. I have specialized in single-family homes, multifamily homes, mobile homes on land, vacant land, 1031 exchanges. So I've got a lot of experience in doing a lot of different things and have made a lot of mistakes, and I've learned a lot over the years, and I love sharing investing in real estate with other people. First, I'd like to talk about the Tucson real estate market. And so for years, Tucson's been kind of a hidden gem from an affordability standpoint, where you could get the types of returns that a lot of investors were looking for, whether it was a 10% cap rate, the 1% rule, your cash on cash return. It was pretty easy to find properties that would provide those types of yields. And since COVID hit, and we've seen double-digit appreciation rates over the last couple of years, obtaining those types of returns on properties has become a little bit more difficult in Tucson. But relative to other parts of the country, Tucson's still a really good place to invest. So again, since COVID hit, prices have gone up dramatically, but on the upside too, rental rates have increased dramatically as well. So not at the pace as homes and properties have appreciated, but home rent rates have gone up. So if you're looking to obtain the 1% rule or a 10% cap rate, or the various things that a lot of coaches teach out there, it's become more challenging to do, even though it's still possible. So normal cap rates in Tucson right now are anywhere from probably, I'd say 5 to 8%. The 1% rule, certainly something that is out there, but a little bit more difficult to find. So just giving you a little feel for the Tucson market, it's still a great market to invest in relative to other places in the country. So I love crunching numbers and helping investors determine whether properties are the right fit for them. So over the last 30 years, I've invested in a lot of things and have a pretty well-diverse portfolio. And I can say over the last 30 years, real estate has been my best performing asset. I love real estate, and there's a lot of different reasons. If you're a seasoned investor out there, you get it. If you were a newer investor, those reasons are cash flow. When you buy a rental property, you're buying it and getting cash flow. Appreciation, as the market goes up in value, you're able to, if you're getting a mortgage, you can use that leverage and utilize appreciation as the property values go up. The other cool thing about investing in real estate is your renters are paying down your liability. So you get principal pay down and you're not paying it. The renters are paying it, reducing your liability on the mortgage, which in turn is giving you more equity in the property to eventually own the property free and clear and have all that cash flow. Another big benefit are the tax benefits. There's a lot of tax benefits when it comes to owning rental real estate, whether it's depreciation, writing off the the expenses, the interest expense. So there's a ton of tax deductions, and a lot of people do buy real estate just to get the tax benefits if they need to write off some things, if they're in terms of being able to reduce your taxes. Real estate is a great vehicle to do that. And another one is just a long-term retirement plan, and it's why my wife and I have invested in real estate, and that is to have enough cash flow at a certain age, and we're getting there. It's what we call our freedom number, and that is investing in real estate over years and getting the cash flow to eventually have enough residual income to be able to retire on. So those are some of the big benefits investing in real estate, and if you'd like to talk about those benefits and how a lot of those benefits can serve you, we are certainly here to help. Over the last 30 years, at the beginning of my real estate investing career, I zigzagged all over the place and didn't have a clear path or plan in terms of what I wanted to do. But the good thing in doing that is I learned a lot. I invested in a lot of different properties and made a lot of mistakes. So over the years, I've become a lot clearer and a lot more focused in terms of the type of properties that we're buying and the path on how to get there. And now I love helping other investors do the same. So some of the things that I love and like to specialize are properties that cash flow. Again, single family, multifamily cash flow, off-market deals, vacant land, fix and flips. Even though they're right now in this market, fix and flips are harder and harder to find the good ones, and the numbers are super, super tight, but at some point that will change. I've done a lot of 1031 exchanges with people, helping people move into the Tucson market that are selling a property in a different market. Another big thing right now is house hacking, where, especially the younger generation will buy a type of property, live in a unit, rent out the rest of whether it's a single family home or multifamily, rent out the rest and live there free and clear and build equity by having the tenants in the unit that you're living in pay for everything, which is a great strategy. And so again, done a lot of different things, and I would encourage you to, if you don't know what your clear path or vision or plan is, I can certainly help you with that. But the big mistake that I made is I was all over the board. I would encourage you to get specific in terms of what it is that you want. And again, myself and team are here to help. When owning investment property, there's always things that need to be done. Whether it's a fix and flip and you need to pick up materials or supplies to do the remodel, or an appliance breaks down and you need to move out an old appliance and bring in a new, we've got a 16-foot box moving truck that you can use us. So if you use us to buy or sell an investment property, you're more than welcome to use our 16-foot box moving truck. Again, I'm Tyler Ford, Tucson, Arizona, eXp Realty, and I'm your Tucson investor-friendly real estate agent. Myself and team would love to help if you're looking to invest in Tucson real estate. If you like this video, do me a huge favor, give me an internet high five. If you have any questions or comments about investing in Tucson real estate, you can comment below. And for more awesome videos about living in Tucson, your Tucson real estate connection, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make it a great day.